A hungry fox noticed a juicy bunch of grapes growing high on the vine. Oh, those grapes look sweet, I wish that they were mine. He leaped, he snapped, he drooled, he jumped in every way he could devise. But try as he might, he could not obtain that tasty purple prize. Disappointed from the fruitless efforts he made to get those grapes that day, he said with a shrug to comfort himself, oh, they were probably sour anyway. That's why they say sour grapes. That's why they say sour grapes. Didn't want them anyway. Sour grapes. That's why they say sour grapes. When you thought you could have them, you said they were sweet. I never said they were sweet. I saw you jump for them. They knocked you off of your feet. I never jumped, not once. Now they are sour. You've complained. Well, I suppose it's because they can't be obtained. That's why they say sour grapes. That's why they say sour grapes. I don't believe you didn't want them. Sour grapes. Admit it, you jumped for them, you did it.
No, I didn't.
Sour grapes. I'm a happy little bramble, thorny, twisted, and small. I don't want to be an oak tree, so grand and tall. I'm happy being me, just a thorny little tree. I got the sun to shine on every leaf of mine. What more can there be? An oak's got a mighty trunk and many branches to flaunt. And when the woodcutter comes to cut tall, straight trees, it's the oak he'll want. I'm a happy little bramble, thorny, twisted, and small. I don't want to be an oak tree, no, not at all. Deep in a lush green forest.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?